You too. What's happening, man? It's your boy Mad Dog. Mad Dog Reviews, man. Happy New Year, everybody. We back. Day 2, January 2nd of the new year. Y'all looking at a domino box right here, y'all can see. Ooh. Now look at this pizza, y'all. Domino's just dropped me off my pizza. We got pepperoni, sausage, bacon, and I substituted the regular sauce for some it's like some white garlic. It's like some white garlic sauce. I never tried it before. This is my first time ever trying it. So yeah, we're gonna see what's up with that, man. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it, man. We're gonna do this live on the tube for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever. A mukbang. Mukbang. First mukbang of 2019. So man, make sure y'all like this video up. Comment. Subscribe. Turn your notifications on for your boy. We're gonna do a live mukbang. Right here. Mukbang. I'm still trying to figure out mukbang. I'm trying to figure out how the hell you pronunciate that. But, you know. Anyway, we got the pizza right here. Let's open her up, see what's inside. You know, y'all just seen it, but we're gonna show y'all again. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Now this is my first time trying this white sauce on it. Never tried it before. So we're gonna try it. It's the first time we're gonna try this white sauce on it. So let's get one piece out and see. I hope it's good. I can smell the garlic. I can definitely smell that garlic taste to it though. Trying to pick a good piece. We wanna pick a good old piece. This piece ain't too good, but we're gonna eat this one anyway. We're gonna try this one anyway. The piece ain't the best, but hey, we're gonna try it anyway. Wow. Wow. That's definitely good. Definitely good. I want to try something different. I normally get the barbecue sauce all the time. I got kind of sick of that, so I want to try something different. I'm glad I did. Mm. Mm. Oh, God. The garlic gives it a lot of flavor. A lot of flavor. Mm. So much flavor to it. You know? Mm. I'm glad I tried this. I'm glad when I went off one of the legs and tried something totally different. Because sometimes you get good results, and I definitely got good results. I'm definitely satisfied with this right here. Yeah. Will I be trying this again? Of course. Most definitely. No questions asked. My pepperoni fell off this one. Man. Pepperoni just keep falling off of it. If y'all haven't tried the little white garlic sauce on your Domino's pizza, I recommend go try it. Go try it now. If you like garlic or whatever, I definitely recommend it. It gives the pizza a different taste. Excuse me. Yeah. Make sure you put pepperonis on it too. This white garlic sauce is amazing. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah. But yeah. So y'all wanna know, man? My new mixtape is out now. I dropped it yesterday. Against All Odds. Shout out to my boy Blue Money TV, man. Shout out to the homie. I was on the podcast or whatever. Promoting the mixtape. You know. Did damn thing. So mixtape out right now on all platforms, man. Go get it. Support a real one. You feel me? I'm not finna the rest of this later, but I want to do a quick mukbang with y'all real quick, man. Just a quick one. I don't want to take us much of y'all time, but if y'all want more of these type of videos in the new year, man, comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'll definitely give y'all that. More videos on the way, man. Comment, like, and subscribe. And keep watching videos. Next time, guys. Peace.